Ooh, Domino's Mukbang. Oh, whoa. What's up? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Daddy X, and today I'm doing a Domino's Mukbang. So I got my little sausage piece right here, and my little, hold up, average it, pop up, and my little drink, little ginger ale. Sometimes you need a little ginger ale. So I'm just be eating Domino's pizza. I'm be telling y'all what's next. Hold up, I'm hungry. Oh, I'm doing this mukbang. I'm hungry. Oh, y'all know this shit good. Oh, alright. This whole summer, it's gonna be nothing but lit videos. I'm gonna try to be as consistent as I can. My summer starts in like 4 days, so be ready. Me and Faisal got a whole album coming out. I'm gonna let y'all know when I come out. When you come out, y'all better go listen to it, or y'all get blocked from my channel. I won't ever be able to see my videos again. So don't forget to go look at it. I mean, Faisal, we just been planning to do a ton of stuff for y'all, cause we really trying to blow up. So share all my videos, right? So everybody sees. Tell all your friends, your mama, your grandma, your granddad, if they living. Yeah. Look at that. I don't know about that Domino's. Y'all, what y'all want to see? Y'all tell me what y'all want to see, because I want to know what y'all want to see. Right? Y'all want to see challenges, tutorials, pranks, vlogs, social experiments. Like, you want it? I mean, you name it, I'll do it. And it's like, I don't know if y'all want to see, cause y'all don't be liking, commenting, y'all don't share, y'all don't do none of that. I need y'all start doing that. But yeah. But y'all just don't know. A little bit. Don't forget to go check out my other videos. I just posted a Burger King mukbang. One of you want with the NBA star Chris Ball. And then I got like other old videos. Go check them out. Yeah. I don't even know what else to talk about. So I'm gonna go ahead in this video. Subscribe to my channel right here. The Fizzle channel right here. And whatever video YouTube thinks you see, I'm out.